Well, all right, let's get started. What this is, so by technical terms, this is an aerodynamics thing. So basically when air is getting underneath the car, it's causing like a fluctuation, like a turbulence type of thing. And then this is basically going to help draw it out and
so it goes underneath.
Yes, exactly. So basically, it sits just like that. That's what it kind of looks like.
Yeah. Do we want to jack it up and put it on jack stands or anything?
We might have to, just to once we do drill holes in here, but because there's no way I'm going to be able to get through it on top here, put those nuts on there. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at.
Okay.
This is basically what we're gonna have to do. Is this plastic piece right here is gonna have to come off completely. So we're gonna have to basically cut that off and then do that on both sides, and then it should be able to be flush with these holes. And then what we're doing over here is, since the anchors are underneath the car, hopefully you guys can see some of those. There's some bolts underneath where the gas can is or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. So basically we're gonna use these anchors to drill holes right here on these four corners, right above these, basically, I don't know, tap screws, or I don't know what they're called. But we're gonna make screws right there to make an anchor point, and then hopefully all three of those clips will work. And then if we need to, we might be able to use these anchor points for our other part of the car, but we'll see what happens. But that's what we're gonna be doing right now.
Drilling an 1/8 of an inch hole first before we drill a quarter. That way it keeps it from washing on you.
Oh, okay. Alright, this is where we are right now. We decided to lift the butt end of the car up because bolting that stuff up is going to be a lot easier. So if you have the tools, you know, why not make your life a little bit easier? But we did get this stuff all drilled to, basically, if you want to focus, for these quarter-inch, 4x20s. This should be able to hold all four of these plenty good. So, yeah, we're going to put this on the car and hopefully everything matches up. And I need to get some clips for those guys, so those will go in real good. But, talking about some meat. But yeah, those are the exhaust hangers I was talking about. So hopefully those will hold the car all up, or the diffuser all up, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so we got the side clips in. Whoever has to do this, it's a fucking bitch. So just fair warning for you. We got all of them in, but we got all those sides in, which that side actually wasn't too bad. It was actually this side, because the plastic inside of here doesn't want to stay put, so you literally have to put your handle in there and hold it. It's a bitch, but overall, I mean, it's looking good right now. Still need to anchor the points up with bolts and nuts, but we're gonna see how this one goes. I'm gonna drive down to the springs and see how bad this is. It's a little off because it's fucking massive, but if worse comes to worse, we might just cut a hole or something like that in it. I don't know, but gonna bolt and nut this thing up and see how it comes out. All right, so got the hangers all up and everything. It doesn't sit 100% right because of the exhaust. It just causes this kind of like do this big U type of thing and just not sit properly. But right now, how we did it, it's definitely on there. You guys can see kind of where I set everything up. Working out really well. So it's gonna be kind of hard to see. I'll probably pull it out so you guys see exactly what it looks like. If this thing ever wants to focus, but it looks actually really good on the car. Holy shit, that's really dirty. But let's go drop this thing down and pull it out. All right, boys, let's see how this thing looks. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks really nice. It's nice and flush, but it's kind of hard to see with the lighting right now. But damn, dude, it actually looks really nice. Actually complements the car. It looks a little bit better in person, but it complements the car really good. So now we have a lot of aggro up front. Now we have some aggro to kind of balance the two, which I'm planning on getting some stuff for this back end. Y'all gonna see in a little bit. It's gonna look dope. But that's a rear diffuser install, man. I am super stoked. I just hope it holds up on the highway. It's my idea of things. Yeah, this car scares me sometimes. But overall, man, the car looks super nice. Like it's really coming along, man. As much as this thing is costing me, it's coming along pretty well. Yeah, I'm super stoked that it's white. Kind of matches the whole theme going on right now. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the little diffuser install. It's always a fun time messing with this car and seeing if shit's gonna work or not. But that's where we are right now. It looks awesome. I'm super stoked about it. I have some cool extra exterior mods that eventually be coming. I do plan on getting the black edition of Valenti's, so I'll probably make a small video about that, just swapping those in and out. New headlights we'll be getting. Some back stuff I can't tell you guys just yet. I haven't seen anybody else do it, so it's gonna be pretty dope. My name is Wes. I'm out. Deuces.